Welcome to Best Choice. The best Kenmore refrigerator door gasket is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components for maintaining your appliance's efficiency and food freshness, ensuring that your refrigerator maintains its optimal temperature by creating a tight seal, preventing cold air from escaping and warm, moist air from entering, which ultimately impacts energy consumption and the longevity of your food storage. Number 5. Dishwasher Door Seal Gasket Kit for Frigidaire. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to replace your dishwasher's door seal, lower seal, and splash shield. Ensure a watertight seal and prevent leaks with these essential parts. Designed as a direct replacement for specific Frigidaire, Kenmore, and Electrolux models, these parts ensure a perfect fit. They replace common part numbers like 154827601, 809006501, and 154701001. The door seal is crucial for preventing water from escaping your dishwasher during operation. If you notice leaks, replacing this worn-out gasket is the solution. Installing this kit is straightforward. Simply unplug your dishwasher, shut off the water, remove the old seal, clean the area, and install the new one. Keep the door closed for a few hours to ensure it seats properly. Don't let a faulty seal disrupt your kitchen. With this easy-to-install kit, you can restore your dishwasher's performance and keep your floors dry. Crafted for durability, these seals and shields are built to last. They provide a solid, sturdy fit, sealing the gap between your dishwasher tub and the outer door edge effectively. What we like? This kit provides a comprehensive solution for dishwasher leaks. It includes the main door gasket, a lower seal, and a splash shield, ensuring all common leak points are addressed. If you're experiencing water leakage from multiple areas of your dishwasher and want a complete fix in one package, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. It's actually several feet longer than what it needs to be, and you will need to stretch it slightly when you install it. Otherwise it will be too big and you won't be able to close the door. Other than that, it fits very well. The seal is plenty long. Lay it out and cut the ends. Had to trim the plastic strip on the end. This was an easier job to do than I thought. Worked good. It comes with no instructions, but with a little help from the internet I was able to replace all pieces within 15 minutes. It's been about 6 months and not a drop of water has escaped. Number 4. PRYSM 241872513 Refrigerator Door Gasket. Introducing the PRYSM 241872513 Refrigerator Door Gasket in white. This high-quality replacement part is designed for a perfect fit with various popular refrigerator brands. Manufactured to the highest standards, this gasket is made from durable materials and rigorously tested for lasting performance. You can trust it to maintain its integrity over time. Over time, worn gaskets can lead to energy loss and higher power bills. Replacing yours with this part restores your refrigerator's optimal function, keeping cold air in and warm air out. Installation is a simple process. Detailed instructions are readily available on our website to guide you every step of the way. Every purchase is backed by the PRYSM promise, ensuring quality and reliability. All our products come with a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. If you need assistance with model compatibility or can't find your part number, our customer service team is ready to help. We'll ensure you get the right part for your unit. What we like? This gasket is manufactured to high standards and rigorously tested for lasting performance. It's designed to restore optimal refrigerator function, keeping cold air in and warm air out, thus saving energy. If you're looking for a reliable, long-lasting replacement with the assurance of a warranty, this is the one to consider. What people say. Went on quick and easy, and seals. This one fit perfectly and we now have a nice, tight seal again. Literally took 5 minutes or less to install this door seal. Number 3. Upgraded Refrigerator Door Gasket 242193206. Keep your food fresh with our upgraded refrigerator door gasket. Its thickened magnetic strip ensures a perfect seal, preventing cold air leaks and maintaining optimal temperature. Crafted from high-quality EPDM rubber with precision welding, this gasket is built to last. It's cold-resistant, highly elastic, and flexible, quickly returning to its original shape. Measuring approximately 41.6 foot x 28.5, this replacement gasket is designed for a precise fit. Ensure you measure your old gasket carefully before ordering to guarantee compatibility. This gasket is compatible with various Frigidaire, Kenmore, Crosley, and White Westinghouse refrigerator models. Please check your part and model numbers to ensure it's the right fit for your appliance. Replace your worn-out gasket with our upgraded 242193206 model. It functions just like the original, providing a superior seal to keep your refrigerator running efficiently and your food perfectly chilled. If your new gasket has creases, simply soak it in warm water or use a hairdryer on low heat to smooth them out for a perfect seal. What we like. This upgraded gasket features a thickened magnetic strip for superior sealing and is made from highly elastic EPDM rubber. It's designed to prevent cold air leaks and keep your food fresh by maintaining a consistent low-temperature environment. If you're concerned about energy efficiency and preserving food freshness due to a faulty seal, this enhanced gasket offers a robust solution. What people say. The gasket seals tightly and prevents cold air from escaping. It was easy to install and fit perfectly on my Kenmore refrigerator. The material feels durable and looks like it will last a long time. Number 2. Frigidaire Refrigerator Door Gasket 241872513. Keep your food fresh with this genuine Frigidaire refrigerator gasket. It's designed to provide a perfect seal around your appliance's door. This essential part prevents air from leaking in or out of your refrigerator. This ensures optimal temperature control and energy efficiency. As a genuine OEM replacement part, it's made to be compatible with various Frigidaire and Electrolux appliances. Trust in its quality and fit. The part number for this gasket is 241872513. Please verify compatibility with your specific kitchen appliance before making a purchase. Installation is straightforward when you follow the provided instructions. Ensure a proper fit and function without forcing the part. What we like. As a genuine OEM replacement part, this gasket is specifically designed for a perfect fit and function with compatible Frigidaire, Electrolux, and other models. It effectively seals the door to prevent air leakage, maintaining your appliance's efficiency. If you prioritize using original manufacturer parts for guaranteed compatibility and performance, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Fit perfect and works well. As described, in a perfect fit for my fridge. This replacement fit perfectly on my old fridge. I've had no issues with the gasket seals and it's been good so far. Number 1. Romalon Dishwasher Bottom Door Gasket 809006501. Tired of water pooling around your dishwasher? This bottom door gasket is designed to perfectly seal your appliance, preventing leaks and keeping your kitchen floor dry. With a precise fit of 22 to 12 inches, it's engineered to replace part numbers like 154576501 and 154297601. Installation is straightforward, requiring just a few screws. This seal is compatible with many Frigidaire, Kenmore, and Electrolux dishwasher models. Please check our compatibility list to ensure it's the right fit for your appliance. Crafted from durable, high-quality materials and rigorously tested to meet OEM standards, this part ensures long-lasting and effective operation. It effectively resolves issues such as water leaks, improper washing, and door closure failures. Get your dishwasher back to optimal performance with this reliable replacement. Replacing your old gasket is a simple DIY task. Just unplug your dishwasher, remove a few screws, swap out the old seal for the new one, and you're done. What we like. This bottom door gasket is specifically designed to solve water leaks from the lower part of your dishwasher door. Made from durable, premium materials and rigorously tested, it ensures long-lasting and effective operation. If your primary concern is a leak originating from the bottom of your dishwasher door, this part offers a targeted and reliable fix. What people say. This fit perfectly and fixed my leaky dishwasher. Fit perfectly, spent less than $6 and it saved me from hiring an appliance repair that would have cost over $200, $150 house call and minimum $50 repair. Perfect replacement for my Frigidaire dishwasher. A little tricky to put in at first, but I watched a YouTube video and installation was straightforward. Seems to be identical to the OEM part. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.